Yeah, that sounds a little... That's the sound I make when I get crab legs. I really like crab legs a lot. Thank you so much, and thank you for the sub. Thank you for the 5, Misfit. You guys are so nice today. I'm not a cat. Who the fuck said I was a cat?
Glad you're feeling better.
Right. I'm not a cat. Does this look like a cat to you? I'm one of these. This is a wolf. Ow! No cat. No. Grr. But I forgot what I was talking about. I'm not a cat. No. Yeah, obviously I'm a fish. God, guys. Glub, glub, motherfucker.